MV and HV drives are specialist pieces of equipment, and if you've got them running your plant, invariably they're running the most critical part. So you need support on those pieces of equipment, and support can come in various guises. Manufacturers historically have always provided support, but manufacturers are pulling out of that market. They're pulling out of having service engineers based within the UK waiting for a phone call, and they're relying more and more on a company like us. We are partners now with all major brands on HV and MV drives. Our engineers have been on numerous training courses for WEG, Schneider, Siemens and more, which makes us the experts in this field. So if you've got MV or HV drives, the days have gone where you have to worry about what happens when it goes down. We can come out, we can maintain them, we can fit preventive maintenance equipment to them, and we can give you annual reports on this equipment. And if they should fail after all of that, don't worry, we'll come out, we've got the spares, and our engineers are fully trained to work on them. So if you're worried about the exposure you've got for HV and MV drives, then give Quantum a ring, because we're the guys who can fix them for you.